Understanding the operational status of thief hatches and pump jacks at any given time is essential to maintain oil field productivity and regulatory compliance. The TiltScout from SignalFire is a new wireless sensor that monitors and reports tank hatch position or pump jack motion as part of a SignalFire Remote Sensing System. Utilizing a 3-axis inclinometer, the TiltScout continually monitors angle to detect the orientation of a tank hatch or the motion of a pump jack. Data from remote assets is transferred wirelessly to a control center so operators can take immediate corrective action when a hatch is ajar or a pump jack is idle. This maintenance-free and C1D1 certified sensor incorporates a 900 MHz radio, antenna, and internal battery that supports long-range data transmission for up to 5 years. With a small footprint and simple design, units are easy to install and calibrate with a local push button. This latest wireless node from SignalFire reports critical information to protect workers, avoid environmental risks, and help maintain continuous oil field production. TiltScout. Put the newest addition to the Scout line of wireless sensing products to work for you today.